Hey guys, D-Saw back here in the Nerd Cave with my May pickup video. Just want to show you some of the things I got over the last month. Let's get right to it. First off, we've been stuck in the house for months. Disturbia. Pretty solid film, pretty much a remake of Rear Window. Shia LaBeouf, I believe it's 2007. Here's a little bit about the movie. Really annoying when they do this. I got this from Amazon for a couple bucks. And they put these stickers over the old barcodes. It's like two or three of them, and then this barcode. It's just annoying, but especially annoying when they do it over a slipcover. But here's a little bit about the movie and some of the special features. Really not much to it, but good movie. Next one up is a Mill Creek film, White Line Fever. Mill Creek release, I should say. This is part of their VHS slips. Don't really know too much about this one. Jan Michael Vincent's in this. I really like these. It makes it look like there's a VHS coming out of the old school cover. Here's the other spine. Here's a little bit about the movie. These Mill Creek releases don't really have any special features at all, but they're only probably like $8-9. I've noticed though, we'll just go right to the next one. When a Stranger Calls, another Mill Creek VHS slip release. This is in my cart on Amazon for a while, and these are like $7.99, $8.99, and then out of nowhere this popped up to like $15. And then it went back down around 8. So then I bought it. But there's a couple others on there that are still around that price. I think Hudson Hawk, last I looked, was kind of up there. Vibes was a little up there too. I think that one's kind of coming down now in price. Not sure why they had that fluctuation, but as soon as this went back down, I swooped it up. So I think Scream Factory might have the sequel. So I'll have to pick that up from them. But yeah, again, just kind of you really get this for the slipcover. Here is the original cover, which, really isn't much to it. You really get it for the slip. And again, luckily I did pick this up for like $8.99 or something like that on Amazon. A little bit about the movie. You know what? I don't think I showed you guys what this one looks like. This actually looks kind of cooler. Kind of like that that artwork, actually. Haven't opened this one up yet either. Yeah, I got a ton of these releases, so, let me know in the comments if you want me to do a video on my Mill Creek release. You know what? I'm going to do it anyway. If you want to comment, cool. If not, I'm still going to do it. Next one up is a Blue Underground release, House by the Cemetery. This has been in my Amazon cart for a while as well. The price on this was kind of going up a little bit. I paid a little more than I wanted to, but same thing happened with Zombie, and that's kind of around the high 40s, which I'm not going to want to pay. So I'm hoping that comes back down, but I don't want the same thing to happen with this one, so I picked it up. I like these releases. I have a couple others like this one. I have the Maniac release, and I have one other. I can't remember off the top of my head which one it is. New York Ripper. So I have New York Ripper and Maniac with this kind of release. And I know they're coming out now, excuse me, with the 4K editions. But I think I like these better. You get more. Oh, excuse me. Corona. Anyway, sorry, excuse me. You get a lot more, I think, for your money here, because it comes with, first of all, it's got the great lenticular slip to it, which the 4Ks don't have. And I think House by the Cemetery will be coming out soon on 4K. I've already flipped over to the original artwork, which is pretty nice. Here's the spine. Here's a little bit about the film. Some of the extras. You get a good amount of special features on this. You have the Blu-ray on the first disc, ton of extras on a second disc, and then you actually get the original motion picture soundtrack on the third compact disc, which is nice. Comes with a booklet. There's your CD. I mean, listen, I still have a CD player. I don't know about you guys, but... And here are the disc 1 and disc 2. But yeah, so the 4K releases are just the 4K disc. It's not any of these other features. You don't get the CD. You don't get the cool lenticular slip. I don't know if you need to see these movies in 4K. I've seen some other reviews where they're saying it looks amazing. That zombie one is really up there, so, I might just get the 4K one. We'll see. Next one up, we'll get to the Steelbooks, and this is Terminator 2, of course. Initially picked this one up from Amazon, and it was just dented to all hell. Big dent here, and you flip it over, and this is just crushed in on the sides. So I returned it and actually found a better price on Best Buy, which is cool. Someone, one of the Facebook groups that I'm in, mentioned that it was on Best Buy for a pretty good price. So, but yeah, there's Arnie. There's a spine, and I really like this slip. Did I say slip? Come on, it's late, guys. Really like this Steelbook. Not really nothing inside. I keep the J cards, that. Came with the digital code. It's already redeemed. Yep. There's T2. Next up, Scream Factory release, Slumber Party Massacre. Yeah, great movie. Classic slasher, 80s slasher, and it's a really nice steelbook. It's a great release from Scream Factory. They don't disappoint with their steelbooks. I'll probably be doing, I hope to be doing a Scream Factory collection video. I'll probably have to break that up into a few videos, and I'll probably do a standalone steelbook one. So you'll see this guy back again. But yeah, really nice artwork. So I guess a quote from the movie. Next one up is Best Buy exclusive Sonic the Hedgehog 4K Steelbook. Really nice Steelbook. I want to say this sold out pretty quickly. I don't know. Maybe you can still get it, but I think I heard... I've seen it on eBay for a crazy amount, but I think people just do that. I mean, I don't know. eBay might... Best Buy might still have it, but like I said, there's the 4K release. You got Jim Carrey in the back. And I do have a special unboxing video for this one on the channel if you want to check it out. Here are the two discs, 4K, Blu-ray. So I'm not gonna get crazy into it. Like I said, I have a video you guys can check out. It does come with this comic, which is kind of cool. When you first got it, it was stuck to it. Had a little sticky on it. But, now thinking about it, what am I supposed to do with this? I mean, I'm going to want to keep it with it. It comes with it. It doesn't fit inside. It's just always going to be under it, which is going to be a little annoying, I'll be honest with you. Would have been cool if it was like a Digibook or something. Speaking of Digibooks, and I didn't even do that on purpose, I swear. It's the Grease 40th Anniversary Yearbook Edition. And I just did a video on my Digibooks, so please check that out. I'll put a link in the description below. First time I'm going to be doing that, guys. Exciting. So here's a little bit here. Just it makes it look like a yearbook. Blu-ray, DVD, digital copy. It's nice. I do like my my Digibooks. Next one up is another Digibook, The 10 Commandments. Again, this was on my recent Digibook Digipack video. Looks good. It's nice and solid, but the spine is kind of flimsy. I think it's because there's a lot of movies in here. So you have the 2 discs here from the Charlton Heston movie, and then you have the silent film, I think from the 1923 film, which I didn't even know they had. A little bit of a gallery book here. Yeah, nice release. Picked that up from Amazon. And the last Digibook, guys, is an older one. Shawshank Redemption. When I say older one, I mean the release. But I do love my Digibook, so although I do hate when this happens, but it's a Warner Brothers release. You know, I rushed through the Ten Commandments, I think, didn't I? Did I even show the back? Here's the back. Let's open it like that, guys. Yeah, there we go. Okay, back to Shawshank. So yeah, amazing film. I'll probably want to pick this up. I'm sure there's a 4K release out there. But, you know, this is a Warner Brothers did really nice digibooks, so I had to pick this up. And there's just the 1 disc. There you go. There's Shawshank. And again, check out my Digibook video. I will put a description for that one as well. Next up is just some really cool hookups I got from a buddy and a loyal subscriber to the channel. I'll go by his YouTube name, Ad Baron. Sweet Vinegar Syndrome hookups. First up is Mausoleum. A little bit about the film, some of the special features. Next one up is Trip with the Teacher. Don't know much about it, but it looks like it should be fun. Special features, a little bit about the film. And last one is a slipcover for Spookies, which is really awesome. Vinegar Syndrome just had their halfway to Black Friday sale, and I just went crazy. Quarantine, I guess, will do that to you, but... And, you know, comment below if you bought anything off of their sale, but, you know, they have an amazing halfway to Black Friday sale, and... You know, the movies didn't come in this month, because if they did, I would have quadruple the amount of movies right now. I'm gonna have to do my own separate Vinegar Syndrome pickup for June. But yeah, I did order Spookies. I missed out on the slipcover the first time around. I picked up Spookies during the sale, and he was nice enough to hook it up. So I thank you very much. This is a really cool slip. So, but yeah, guys, that's it. That is my May pickup video. Please let me know in the comments below, what did you pick up? Had any comments about these movies? I'd love to hear it. Please, if you haven't subscribed, please do so. Feel free to comment, like, all that stuff I'm supposed to say. Do it. D-Sol here. I'll see you later.